So you're going to see the belt drive option here that we were talking about, and then the direct drive. This image actually showcases a little bit better where that motor is located and how that motor sits within that bifurcated housing. So that air will move up and around that motor, and then again up into the nozzle and then into the atmosphere. So completely isolated out of the airstream. Moving on here now, so just talking about, a couple of advantages to belt or direct drive. So the belt drive option sits in that box here on the outside. Much easier to service, much easier to get at, but because it is belt drive, more maintenance is required. Direct drive, there's less maintenance. Most fans come with 1 year lube intervals, but when maintenance is required, because where that motor sits, it is a slight project to get at that motor. So it's kind of a trade-off. Obviously, there are jobs that require direct drive and there are jobs that require belt drive. But then there's those jobs that could go one way or the other. And, we have reps that have customers that, want belt drive because of the service aspect to it. And then we have reps that, want direct drive because, there's less maintenance to begin with. Okay. So it's kind of sometimes comes down to preference. And as I said, though, obviously there are jobs that require direct and there are jobs that require belt. But nonetheless, two options that are at your disposal.